is that? Is that the baby? Give her a kiss. That's nice. You gonna put her in the chair? You can give her a bottle?
Put it all here in the bag. We'll put it in the bag.
Give her a bottle. That's so nice.
Put it in the bag.
Your dad's gonna be so proud.
Put the bottle in the bag and then you can put it on your shoulder. Carry it.
He's Mr. Mom.
Now put her in.
There you go.
Put your bag over here on the stroller.
Pamela got you set up, huh? Who is that? Is that baby Kaylee? Where are you going?
Hey!
What you got?
What is that?
That's baby.
What is that?
Kaylee.
Oh. So baby.
Give her a kiss.
Put her to sleep.
You're going to step on her head.
Oh. She asleep? Is she asleep? Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
We'll have this on video so we can torture you when you get older.
Where's her bottle at?
Get her bottle, feed her.
Get her bottle?
She's hungry. You can cover her up first.
Can you get her bottle for her?
Get her bottle for her. He's like, eh.
Yeah. That's your
He's
purse?
really proud.
That's it, cover her up.
There you go.
Keep her warm.
Mr. Long.
Where's her bottle at, buddy?
Train it. I think she wants her bottle.
Let's give her a bottle. Here, it's in there. It's in the bag. Here, Pam, I'll show you how to get it.
Over here.
Get the bottle and give the baby the bottle. Give her a bottle. She's hungry. That's so nice.
Your daddy's gonna love that.
Put it back in the bag.
Put back your purse. Oh, Daddy.
What else is in there?